What person in history would you like to take out for dinner and why?
Bob Marley, because he used to always talk about when he was younger, he would act like he was Jamaican or Caribbean.
Martin Luther King, to be honest with you. And the reason why is because his tenacity and his drive.
Probably to some really fancy, authentic Jamaican restaurant.
I probably end up taking him to my brother-in-law's restaurant. He got G Southern.
What's his favorite way to spend the weekend?
George loves church.
Just with family, honestly. I do church on Sundays and I help with our media team.
If he has a bad day, I don't think that anyone would know it. I think maybe his worst day he would pick would be Monday, just because he has a big family and he has to be back at work and away from his family.
Man, honestly, I don't have a least favorite day. You know what I mean? Just every day above that ground is a great day for me.
He seems like a Marvel movie kind of guy.
Lean on me, Mr. Clark. He was all about the education of the children and, fighting through adversity.
George loves to sing and dance, so it would definitely be something gospel.
A song that I know all the words to, man, I don't know if you know this, man. They call me Mr. Singer in the office, brother. It's multiple songs. I mean, from old age to new age. I can give you some Marvin Gaye. I can give you a little bit of Keith Sweat, some R. Kelly. I mean, hey, the list goes on, man.